So let's do some revision, Akash. The car has stopped. Guy was standing there with a stop board. There's construction work going on. Yeah, people who are going straight should stop.
They are making it so systematically. यहाँ पे tarring चल रहा है शायद
रोड बना रहे हैं. In perfect line border they have created.
और सब लोग अंदर है.
सब लोग अंदर है.
कोई भी बाहर नहीं है रोड पे.
So much precaution they are taking. Is it cold out? How is the weather? Yeah, a bit cold. It's cold, Akash. Maybe it's early morning, that's why it's really cold.
It's raining also.
It's raining?
Yeah.
I can see that.
See that?
Yeah, I can see.
There's light drizzle.
What should I wear? That's the biggest question. I wear a long sleeve t-shirt. My glass. Test is at 11 o'clock, so we need to be full. Atabi needs to be full, so we'll have some heavy breakfast today. I'm all ready. So good morning guys and welcome back to RT Vlog. So today is our driving license test, that is the DKT driver's knowledge test. We have paid $47 per person for this test, so we don't want to flunk in this exam, driving exam. So we have fully prepared. We are going to read the questions twice before answering. Though we know the answers, they are general knowledge and you know, signages, basic things of driving rules and all. Yeah, so let's go. Let's not just waste time. Okay, by the way, we did not get a center close to our house, so we are going somewhere far away by train. It will take around 1.5 hours to reach there, so let's just not waste time here. We are done with everything, so let's go. We are very early. What to do? Should we leave or wait? Okay. So we are going to Tagara. What's the latest train at? 7:44.
8 o'clock. We have to reach by 8 o'clock. 8:10 is a train.
8:10. So right now it is
7:43. Then go.
Chalo, jaldi. What to wear? I can't wear this. I I need to wear shoes because we have to walk a lot. Raining, yaar. Shoes gile ho jayenge. Socks. All done? Yes.
It's raining.
Documents all there. File it there. Yes. Mera umbrella. Yeah. According to the driving test rule, if it rains, you need to drive slowly because the road is slippery. Our Hamesha ka shortcut route that we're taking from the mall. We directly reach the station. Actually, we are not late, but we don't want to miss that train which is going early. 10 minutes? Wait for me. Coming. We're waiting for the bus. Are you not feeling hot now?
Yeah,
it's very hot.
We
walked, yeah. But people are wearing so heavy jackets and all. I just saw. I'm feeling hot looking at them. So this is our train to Epping. Oh, there's nobody. On the right. So we have reached Epping. We need to catch the next train now to our main destination. It's going to school.
For your safety and
Look at the rush.
please move to Orange.
So guys, finally we have reached services NSW.
What are you doing?
Practicing test. I'm ready, but I'm a little nervous because you never know. There are some rules. You're not supposed to get 2-3 questions wrong. That I'll tell you later on because even I'm not sure about it. I'm studying like thoroughly. I downloaded this app. Yeah. So what will happen if you're caught cheating on a knowledge test? You will not be allowed to take another test for 6 weeks. Next. exam?
We'll have first.
What will have? You're hungry?
Yeah.
No, but tell me now, how was your exam? Mine was very good. I answered everything. Like all I got correct. 45 out of 45. Akash.
Okay.
क्या हुआ? Okay. Okay, we'll eat something first and then we'll talk. It's raining heavily. I guess we'll have to wait and spend some half an hour here in this shopping complex. What to do?
Next train 11:23. We have just 5 minutes.
In just 5 minutes. I don't think so we'll reach.
And we just have one.
We just have one umbrella. We'll have to share this umbrella. We just have one umbrella. Yeah, here you get only furniture and all. So we were planning on buying one more umbrella but couldn't find any shop.
Let's go.
So, bus zone. According to this, nobody can wait here in this area.
अपने driving classes खोलने हैं.
Driving license? Huh? What?
अपने खुद के driving classes खोलने हैं.
हाँ, yeah, I want to open my own driving school now. I've become pro.
Is a hurdle? Giving the actual driving test.
Yeah. Giving the actual driving test. Yeah, it's a major hurdle.
No left turn.
Where?
Turn left.
No left turn. Obviously, you can't turn left.
I don't know why they still have payphones over here. Like India, they have discontinued it long time back.
Yeah. So we are going home now. Train to Sydney. Where did Akash go? Oh yeah, he's there. Guys, my exam was super good. I am a little worried about Akash. I don't know, he's not telling me what is the thing. How did he answer? So we have come to eat right now. We're having a lunch. I'm just waiting for him. He just want to wash his hands. He's coming. Tell me what happened.
Okay, so finally I have cleared TKT because...
Then why were you so serious? Like when I asked you, you did not even tell me anything. You were like, no, we'll go to eat first. And I was so tense for you, Akash.
Because I was unhappy that I had one answer wrong, but I got a little confused with one of the questions and I answered it wrong. So guys, you need to be careful while answering this TKT as well. I know it's very easy, people. Yes.
Thank you.
Okay.
So guys, with our test, we are finally done. It's over, and
Both of us have cleared, passed
the test.
Although my one answer was wrong.
Mine was correct. All were correct. All 45 questions were right.
But one was wrong.
One was wrong but you knew the answer. Just
I
because
knew the answer, but
you got a little confused.
It was confusing.
Yeah.
So make sure that you practice well.
Yeah.
You shouldn't get more than one answer wrong. So we'll explain this once we reach home. What are the rules?
Yes. So the questions asked were like super easy. Same questions are asked.
But 80% of the questions will be very easy. But 20% might be tricky. So you have.
There are headphones also. You can just put them on and then listen to the question. And
it's up to you. I didn't use the headphones.
I used it.
Yeah.
So I was like fully concentrated. So we have taken extra hot burger. Half, okay? Exact half. Akash. Half is for me. How is it? Last time also we ate the same one, right? I liked it.
Okay guys,
so finally. We are back home finally. Yeah, the actual driving test is yet to happen. That is the bigger major test,
which we have already booked.
If you have a valid driver's license, like we had our Indian driving license valid, so we told them that we don't want to start from the beginning, like we don't want L. We don't want to start udhar se.
You have to tell at the counter that you don't require the learner's license. You will directly give the full license test. Otherwise, they will just hand you the learner's license. So be careful with that as well.
Yeah.
your international driver's license should be with 3 years or more.
If you don't have 3 years or more, the period of driving license, then you have to start from L.
And also you have to make sure, guys, that you have the smart card of the license, because I had a booklet, the old booklet, because my license was quite old. I had given my test like long back. And one more thing, good I remembered, make sure that your license shows active on India's Parivahan website. Otherwise, you will have to get a letter from the embassy, or some DL extract. There is something called as DL extract, which you may have to get.
So go online, type Parivahan. What is that site name?
Just type Parivahan India something. You will get that site.
Yeah, you will enter all your details
and just
check your name is there or not.
Yeah. Whether your license is showing active or not. And make sure, if you are having that old booklet, make sure to convert it into the smart card before coming here. Otherwise, they may not accept it. Guys, as far as the test is concerned, there are a total of
45 questions, and there is no time limit to answer these questions. You can take your own, not sweet time, but you can take your time, read the question properly, understand it, and then answer.
Don't just hurry up because you know the answer. Make sure that you read through all the options, because sometimes all 3 may be correct, but you have to choose the one which is the best out of the 3. There are total 3 sections: general section, road safety, and road science. They will not penalize you, or they will not fail you if you answer certain questions wrong. However,
you are allowed only 3 questions wrong. You can answer 3 questions wrong in the general section. Only 1 question can be answered wrong, either in road safety,
or road science. So make sure that you know all these things, and you don't answer more than 1 question wrong in the second.
Try not to, just.
It's better not to answer anything wrong. If you go wrong, not an issue, because I had 1 question wrong today and I was pretty nervous.
I was worried for him. I was like, kya ho gaya?
Go for or choose for. And as far as questions are concerned, they will ask the same question from the DKT mock test.
Exact same. Even the options are same.
Options are same.
Confuse you.
Options are same, but they may be arranged in a different way. Yeah.
And don't take tension. It is super easy. You will clear you will clear the exam. Don't worry. You just have to study properly, understand and study. Just don't by heart the answers. Understand, and then you'll be all good.
And don't be very casual also.
Don't be too casual.
Yeah, because what we did was, first we went through the entire PDF document, which has around 94 questions, and then we answered.
It's a little boring to study the PDF file, because it's too lengthy, like 90 pages. You'll be like, oh my god, I have to study all the 90 pages. So you can sit with your partner and study, like how we did. We were like, every day
20 questions.
20 questions at night we used to study. And
1 hour.
At least 1 hour I used to study, and it was super easy.
Yes.
That's the reason why it was super easy.
Just keep on answering mock test.
Don't forget to answer the mock test, because it is the same thing that is going to come this. The format is the exact same if you download the app. Sir,
it's on the website through your laptop or computer.
Mock test.
But on phone it is more convenient.
So in the next video we will be sharing how we answered our driving practical exam.
Well, not next video, but after that.
Yeah, because we need to learn right now.
We have some time before we take the actual driving test.
We're going to take some lessons, and then we're going to share our experience with you all. I hope you enjoyed this video, and make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your contacts. Yes.
And bye bye, see you, take care, and see you in the next vlog.
Bye.